Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start at the order screen. Tap the order you want to cancel and read its status carefully. Pending allows cancellation, confirmed may or may not. If it shows shipped, you cannot cancel. Instead, prepare for return. Once you see pending, select Cancel Order or the three-dot menu, choose a reason, and confirm. Do this immediately to stop processing, because once the system advances, cancel options disappear and refunds require returns. Now complete the cancellation form. Choose the most accurate reason so support routes it correctly. Verify item quantities and any applied coupons. These affect refund amounts. Choose the refund method, original payment or wallet credit. Make sure you understand timelines. Tap Confirm Cancellation and wait for the in-app confirmation screen. Screenshot it. You'll receive an email too. If customer service intervention is required, use the confirmation number. This speeds resolution. Finish by monitoring the orders page until it shows canceled. Refunds vary. Card refunds often take 5 to 7 business days versus wallet credits which post faster, so plan accordingly. If the order still shows confirmed or shipped after 24 to 72 hours, contact Nnnow support with your order ID and confirmation screenshot. Make sure to explain what you did and ask for escalation. This prevents duplicate shipments and clarifies refund timing. If needed, request a supervisor to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.